Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rekha. Today guys, this is first session for software testing. So in this video, I'll discuss about basics of software and software testing. So first of all, I need to discuss what is software. Software is a set of program. What is software? Software is nothing but a set of program which will perform a set of tasks. It can be it is combination of different functions using different language. Okay, so software may developed by the multiple programmer based on particular requirement. Let's understand, there is a bank. Okay, and they are doing a manual transaction and they want to automate their system. Yeah, okay, this is the bank. Then what they do is they'll approach to the IT company to develop the software. Okay, and vendor, here the IT is the vendor and bank is nothing but customer. Okay, so vendor what do, IT company what do, they analyze those requirement, and based on that requirement IT company prepare some budget and they'll discuss the time with the bank, that is customer, that this much time we require to develop this project. Okay, so first what they discuss, budget. Second what, time. This is main first part. Okay, if customer agree with these terms, with this budget and time, then there is an agreement between them. Okay, once the agreement done, the company, IT company will start working on this project. Okay, second one, in practical stage in any company, anything if you want to develop and deliver to the customer, it goes from a certain phase, certain process. Okay, this process in IT company, this process is called SDLC. What, this is SDLC. What is SDLC? It is software development life cycle. Okay, and in this there are different stages. First one is requirement. Second one is design. Third one is coding. Fourth is what? This is testing. This is the main part on which this course is depend on. This is very crucial thing in software development. Okay, and last is deployment. It means this is last stage. It is delivery of the project. Okay, first in requirement, developer understand the requirement and then design the project according to the requirement. Third, do the coding for the project depending on the design and requirement. In this coding part, developer use different languages, coding languages, right? And in testing part, tester test the project, and there are different, like manual test is there, automation test is, we will discuss it in later. Okay, and for say SDLC, I'll prepare one separate video where I'll discuss in depth. Okay, so right now remember what is requirement, what is design, what is coding, testing and deployment. That's it. Okay, after that we are going for testing part. Okay, software testing. So first of all guys, I want to tell you that why testing is important in our life. If I am going for purchasing a bulb, then also I am testing that bulb first before purchasing, right? So why testing is important? So take an example of traffic signal. this traffic signal runs automatically, you know that it is based on some software, right? So if suppose all signals will green one day, then what will happen? It will it is a bad impact, na? So it can be dangerous, accidents will be there, right? So testing is important. Second example, I can take the example of banking application. What this is banking application? Suppose I am transferring some rupees to one person. I want to transfer some rupees to one person, but because of testing is not exist, this budget, this amount, this money is has transferred to another person. So my loss is there and first person loss is there because testing is not there, right? That's why such testing is important. So what is the definition of testing? Technical definition is like we are like in testing we are matching expected result to with the actual result. This is the technical definition. Theoretical definition is it is a process in to identify the correctness, completeness and quality of the product. If testing is there, then quality product will be there. If testing is not there, then product quality is not there and customer will not go to your place for purchasing the product, right? That's why testing is important. Some attributes are there, testing attributes, that is reliability. This is quality attributes. Reliability, portability, maintainability and visibility. These are the attributes. Then we will see the SQA. What is SQA and features of SQA? What is SQA? SQA stands for Software Quality Assurance, and it is used for measuring and monitoring the strength of the development process. Okay, this is SQA. It is used for monitoring and measuring the strength of the project. And the organization follow SQA project. It's depend on several factors like to meet the customer requirement. Several factors are there. Sorry. Factors are there. What are the factors? To meet the customer requirement, on what purpose? Then second one is to meet the customer expectation, that means privacy, performance and all. Third one is cost of software, cost should be less, time in delivery. Fourth one, that means production should be on time. Okay, and fifth is risk management, that means warranty means it's if something goes wrong in software, then servicing without cost. This is the risk management, fifth factor feature of SQA. It is non-technical. Okay, and guys, one more question I want to tell you about software development. What is basics of software, basics of testing, software testing and SQA. Okay, so I'll explain when testing will start and what is fish diagram. I'll explain in detail in next video. So be connect with me, and thank you for watching this video, guys.